Hello everybody, this is 3420 here, just shooting a quick video from my home. Normally I don't do this. This is a webcam test more or less. Just got this webcam, want to see if it works. I'm all new to this. Some of you know, maybe you've seen some of my riding videos and all you hear is a vibration. Well, this is the garbage camera that I'm using when we do them videos. It's a cheapy little wannabe GoPro. I spent probably 20 bucks on that thing. Other videos I shot on my S20 Plus 5G, of course. Very expensive. I can't afford that new S22 yet. Oh, I'd love to have that thing. I hear that thing's sweet. But anyway, back to what we're doing here. Until I get a new cam, this thing is all I got, and eventually I plan on getting a GoPro, but you know, funds are kind of tight right now, and with this, what we got in presidential office there, that resident in charge over there, well, I don't see myself getting one right away unless I take donations, and I'm really not big on wanting donations. And I'll take donations. If GoPro wants to send me a camera, I'll take a camera from GoPro. You can find all my information down below. Anyway, joke aside, just want to say hello to everybody, and occasionally here I'll pop in, maybe do one of these every now and then, and maybe eventually I'll find an actual content to do other than just random videos and get more supporters. Till then, hit that like button, subscribe over here, and that little ringy dingy dingy down there for notifications when I post new videos. And well, I guess just thank you for being here. Leave me comments down below and tell me what you think, and maybe give me some advice on some content, maybe some videos I can shoot, and who knows. We'll see where this thing goes. One day I want to see a silver plaque hanging on that wall behind me. Thank you everybody, and see you around.